In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Elementor, the popular WordPress page builder, to ensure you're harnessing the latest features and security fixes. Keeping Elementor up to date is essential for maintaining a secure and optimized website. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, so even if you're new to WordPress, you'll get a handle on it in no time. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your website. Once you're logged in, draw your attention to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll see a menu. Look for Plugins and click on it. This will direct you to a page displaying all the plugins currently installed on your website. Take a moment to scan through the list and find Elementor. It's essential to verify that the plugin author is listed as Elementor.com to ensure you are updating the official version. Once you've located it, check if there's a notification about an available update. If there is, you should see a link that says Update Now. Click on it, and the update process will begin. Keep in mind that updates can sometimes cause compatibility issues with other plugins, so it's always a good practice to back up your site before proceeding. This ensures that you can easily revert to the previous version if anything goes awry. Now, let's touch on site backups. It might seem like an extra step, but it can save you considerable hassle later. If you haven't already set up a backup system, you can use plugins like Updraft Plus or Backup Buddy. Once backed up, you can proceed confidently with the update. As the update installs, you'll see a progress indicator on your screen. The installation process typically takes just a few moments, so just sit tight as it completes. Once Elementor has been updated, it's wise to clear your WordPress site cache, especially if you're using a caching plugin. This ensures that the latest version loads properly for all users. With the update complete and the cache clear, visit your site's front end to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Keep an eye out for any issues with layout or functionality that might occur. This is why a post-update site check is crucial. It allows you to catch any discrepancies right away. In case you encounter any issues, don't worry. Most are commonly caused by theme or plugin conflicts. If that happens, disable all your plugins except Elementor and check if the issue persists. Reactivate each plugin one by one to identify the source of the problem. Remember, you can always reach out to Elementor support for assistance. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated Elementor, ensuring your website remains stable and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.